Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy Monero anonymous token using Exodus wallet. So first of all guys, what I need you to do is open your browser, and after that just search for the Exodus wallet. So we need to download it first in order to start trading. So let's go here and let's install it. Now if you click on download, we will find three options: Web3 wallet, mobile, desktop, and etc. So basically here what I'm going to do is download this Web3 wallet as an extension. So click here, and unfortunately guys, if I remove, let me just click on remove and add it. Because it has so many bugs, I can't really install it and create my account in it. So I will try to show you without creating an account, because as you can see it is pretty much slow. I can't do anything literally in this page. So what I'm going to do now guys is basically go to their support page. So as you can see it is really slow. So let me just pick it in here, and here we will go Exodus, and here we will go to wallet swap, and we will open this page. So I will show you through this page how you can actually buy some token or buy any currency like Monero Anonymous using this. So what you're going to do is, first you will have to have some balance in your wallet. So after you have that balance on your wallet, whatever it is, the token, for example USDT, Ethereum, whatever, you go on this middle icon in here. After that you click on it and you will find this here. Now basically, for example, you click here, you make the USDT, and here the Monero Anonymous token. After that, what you're going to do is click on put the amount that you want to swap, and right after you finish that and you put the amount you are willing to swap, you click on swap, which is going to be at the bottom of your wallet. Right after that you will be able to buy that token that you are willing to buy, which is in our case the Monero Anonymous. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.